Hello everyone, welcome to Yajentio Training Academy. In this video, you will learn CSS from basic to advanced with real-time examples. CSS helps us design beautiful, responsive, and professional websites. Even if you are a beginner or non-IT student, this course is easy to follow. So, let's start the journey of web design. CSS course content. Detailed explanation. Introduction to CSS. What is CSS? Why CSS is used? CSS versus HTML. Types of CSS. Inline, internal, external. CSS syntax and selectors. CSS syntax structure. Element, class, and ID selectors, grouping and universal selectors, comments in CSS. CSS colors and backgrounds, color formats, name, HEX, RGB, RGBA, background color and image, background repeat, size, position, CSS text and fonts, text color, alignment, font family, size, weight, Google Fonts, text decoration and transformation, CSS box model, very important, content, padding, border, margin, box sizing, CSS display and position, display, block, inline block, none, position, static, relative, absolute, fixed, sticky, z-index, CSS layouts, float and clear, Flexbox, row, column, justify, align, grid basics, mini project, design a responsive web page, header, navigation, content, footer, apply Flexbox and media queries. Who can learn this course? Beginners, freshers, non-IT students, web design aspirants, full-stack learners. If you found this video useful, like the video, subscribe to Yajentio Training Academy, press the bell icon for more IT courses. For full course and placement support, contact us today, 74186-02650. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you all.